Alright, what is up everyone? Back in the garage today, and we are working on the 240 once again. Today we've got some spicy audio mods for the 240, and before we get into it, this is a little bit of a meme episode because all we're putting in this bad boy is this Bluetooth speaker that's just been lying around in the garage. And the reason why we're not actually installing a luxury sound system is, well, let's pop into the car really quick. Inside, you won't be able to tell from here, but there are no speakers in there. For some reason, the wires that are like right behind the dash right here, those were cut for the audio for the factory harness. As you can see, no head unit there. And then if we take a look, I actually just took out the rear speaker brackets. As much as I could tighten them down, they just wrap around like crazy, which was annoying. But here is where the speakers actually wire in. Now, still can, in the future, actually wire up some speakers, fix the wiring for the harness, and get an actual sound system in here. But for today, super quick, easy fix to our problem is I'm just going to be mounting this Bluetooth speaker in the trunk of the car. I got this idea from my cousin. We went for a rip in his like 56 Beetle, and he's like, we got to have some tunes, so we just dropped a Bluetooth speaker in the trunk, and it worked great. But I don't want it rolling around, so I'm actually going to Velcro it down. I'm trying to decide where this thing should go. I guess right there is pretty okay. That could work. But before that, probably finally time I've cleaned out the back of this. It is absolutely filthy. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing that right now. So unfortunately I was unable to find my extremely strong Velcro, and so it was not able to solidly hold this, especially with the floor uneven right here. It made it kind of difficult. So I think for the time being I'm going to end up doing the ratchet bungee cord situation over there. Not the best, but I think it'll actually work okay. So these premium sound system is set up. We're gonna flip this on now, and then I'm gonna get connected to the Bluetooth. Let's pop into the passenger seat here. Alright guys, we can now officially bump Meek and Juice in this car, so that is a good thing. Unfortunately, I can't give you a little bit of a preview of that because my phone won't record and play Bluetooth at the same time. Thanks a lot, Apple. But it actually sounds pretty good in here. Perks of a hatchback. And so we've got music. We'll be able to cruise and cruise with music. So we are sitting pretty nice in the 240 right now. I'm going to close out the video here today. Thanks for watching. Peace out.